Behind me is the SUV that has received the highest score of any India-made vehicle yet in the Global NCAP crash tests. Yes, the Tata Harrier facelift along with the Safari facelift has notched up a pretty impressive score at the crash tests. Here is all you need to know about how these two SUVs perform. Tata Motors has launched the facelifted Harrier and Safari SUVs with a bang, as both have today been awarded a 5-star rating in the latest round of Global NCAP crash test. Not only did the duo get a full 5-star rating, but also did it while notching up the highest score registered yet by an India-made vehicle in the Global NCAP tests. The Tata SUVs are among the last vehicles to be tested by the safety watchdog as it winds up its Safer Cars for India initiative with the impending rollout of India's own Bharat NCAP test program. With an adult occupant protection score of 33.05 points out of a total 34, the Harrier and Safari have bettered the previous highest score for an India-made SUV which belonged to the Mahindra Scorpio N. The duo also bettered the Volkswagen Virtus and Skoda Slavia's adult occupant protection score of 29.71 points. As is necessitated by the updated, more stringent test protocol, the Harrier and Safari facelift were also subjected to a side pole impact test along with a pedestrian child head form impact test, a pedestrian leg form impact test and ESC test as well. The Harrier and Safari also received a 5-star rating for child occupant protection, scoring 45 points out of a total 49. Tata Motors has made significant structural reinforcements to the facelifted Harrier and Safari, adding a greater proportion of high-strength steel, especially in the load paths of both vehicle structures, which has played a crucial role in the excellent scores for the two SUVs. In an interaction with Carandbike, Mohan Savarkar, Chief Product Officer of Tata Motors' passenger vehicle division, said that the company added these parts to essentially make the passenger cell stronger so that the occupants are not at risk when there is a collision. Savarkar added that the company has engineered the two SUVs to meet safety requirements beyond what is outlined by Global NCAP, with a keen focus on active safety systems and pedestrian protection. He also confirmed that Tata will be sending the two SUVs for Bharat NCAP tests in the time to come, which is something carandbike had reported about earlier in October. As standard, the Harrier facelift is equipped with 6 airbags, ISOFIX child seat mounts, electronic stability program, hill hold control, traction control, rollover mitigation, and much more. The Safari facelift mirrors the Harrier's standard safety equipment but also gets disc brakes at all 4 wheels. Higher variants of both SUVs come with a 7th airbag as well as advanced driver assistance systems. With these results, 5 out of the 7 combustion engine Tata passenger vehicles on sale today, barring the Tiago hatchback and Tigor subcompact sedan, have a 5-star crash test rating from Global NCAP. No other mass car maker operating in India today has as many 5-star rated models in its portfolio, and Savarkar admitted the news of crash test results has had a clear, positive rub-off on sales of all Tata models. So, what do you think of the facelifted Harrier and Safari's showing at the Global NCAP crash tests? Let us know your thoughts in the comments if the results make these SUVs more attractive and if you think this will end up influencing their sales prospects. And let us know what you thought of this video. If you enjoyed watching it, found it informative, then remember to like it and share it with your friends and family.